Ray Amanat came and spoke today at a women in networking organization that I'm involved with. And I have listened to Ray probably 3 or 4 times present to an audience. This time it just happened to be women. I've heard him speak to both men and women. And I have to tell you that he is second to none in his presentation and his tips and tools that he gives you in self-protection. I am a former teacher, and when Ray first approached me about what he does, I was like, oh my gosh, here we go again with another same old with bullying techniques and defense techniques and stuff like that. But I have to be very honest, he had me within 15 seconds of telling me about situations, asking me what I would do in situations, and then giving me the feedback for the real tools that I would need to feel safe in an environment or how to get out of an unsafe environment. Like I said today, I heard him speak again for third, fourth time, I don't even know anymore, and when he walked away with what did you learn, I had already learned something new once again. So I really encourage you, if you are listening to this video, to take the opportunity to call Ray, call Heroes in Action, set an appointment, have a conversation with him, and then bring him to your organization to truly change lives within your organization. So Ray, thank you once again. You do great work, and thank you for helping keep our world safe.